Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an autoplay looping video to your Squarespace website. This is a great way to make your site more dynamic and engaging, especially if you want to showcase content that plays continuously in the background without requiring any interaction from your visitors. To get started, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can see all the websites associated with your account. From your homepage, simply click on the website where you want to add the autoplay looping video. This will open up the editing interface for that specific site, giving you access to all the customization tools you need. Now look over to the left side of your screen and click on Website. Right underneath that option, you'll see Pages, so go ahead and click on that as well. This section displays all the pages within your website. From here, select the specific page where you'd like to input your video. It could be your home page, an About page, or any other page that would benefit from a looping video element. Once you've selected the page, click the Edit button. This opens the page editor where you can start adding and customizing content blocks. With the editor open, click on Add Block. A menu will appear showing various block types you can insert from these options. Click on Video. This creates a new video block on your page where you can upload and configure your video file. Now click on the video block you just added. This will bring up additional options. Click Add Video and then select Upload File. This allows you to choose a video from your computer to upload directly to your Squarespace site. Navigate to the video file you want to use and select it. After selecting your file, wait until your video is done uploading. Depending on the size of your video and your internet speed, this might take a few moments. You'll see a progress indicator letting you know when the upload is complete. Once your video has uploaded, you'll see the video settings panel. Scroll down through these settings to find the playback options. Here's something important to note. Enabling autoplay requires you to enable mute video first. This is because most browsers automatically mute videos that play without user interaction to improve the browsing experience. So first, enable the mute video option, and then you'll be able to enable autoplay. Now enable the loop video option. This ensures that once your video finishes playing, it automatically starts again from the beginning, creating that continuous loop effect you're looking for. Once everything looks good and all your settings are configured correctly, click Save. Your changes will be applied, and your autoplay looping video is now live on your Squarespace page. And that's it. You've successfully added an autoplay looping video to your Squarespace website, creating a more immersive experience for your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.